Jai Hind. At the outset, I would like to congratulate our engineers for making this bridge and reconnecting half of the Ramban district with the mainland. And secondly, I would like to thank each and every individual who's participated and helped them making it possible, starting from the district administration of Ramban, district police of Ramban, BRO, the National Highway Authority, and every person who's contributed towards making it possible. You know, making a bridge is not difficult. Making it against all odds is difficult. You would see that this bridge was technically non-viable. The weather was bad. The national highway was blocked. There was no way we could ferry stores. But collectively, in spite of all that, what they've been able to make, I would say it's an engineering marvel, not just a bridge. And this shows our collective and continued commitment towards the Awam of J&K. Secondly, I would like to also thank the Lieutenant Governor for acknowledging our efforts and personally inaugurating this bridge, and which means a lot to us. And this effort is not just in isolation, gentlemen. You know, from the day the rains and floods they have hit the state of Jammu and Kashmir, the soldiers of White Knight Corps have been out, saving lives, reaching out to people in any ways, any time, the way it was required, when it was required. It could be in the form of making bridges, like we constructed a bridge at Chesoti, Bhadarwa. It could be in the form of extricating people from an area where they were stranded. It could be lifting people, elderly, needy, sick, with the help of Indian Air Force, taking them out from there, conducting medical camps, conducting veterinary camps, or just sending people on Rahat and Khairiyat Patrol. Because you will all understand that it is not just important to help people. It is more important to give them assurance and make them believe that hum aapke saath hain. Har samay, har mauke, in every kind of situation, we are there. Because we believe that we merely don't build bridges across the roads, we build bridges across hearts. And that is what defines us as an organization and as a nation. Thank you.